Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your ICICI Direct trading account, KIC, and API access. Once done, generate the API key and secret in the portal and store them securely. Make sure you choose Sandbox for initial testing so you don't risk real funds. Then install the Breeze SDK or prepare an HTTP client that supports TLS 1, 2, or higher. This step gets you authenticated and ready to call endpoints. It's the foundation for all subsequent trading actions. You now authenticate using the Breeze flow. Exchange API key/secret for an access token and implement refresh logic so requests stay valid. Once authenticated, call the instrument's endpoint to retrieve symbols, trading segments, and lot sizes. This prevents invalid orders. Next, construct the order payload with order type, quantity, limit or market price, product type, and validity. Make the place order call and check the response for order ID. If successful, poll order status until it's confirmed to complete the execution. You finish by confirming trade execution. Check the trade confirmation endpoint, reconcile ledger and positions, and ensure fills match expectations. Make sure to implement idempotency keys and retry with exponential backoff for transient failures, and keep structured logs for audits. If something goes wrong, first validate your token and permissions, then inspect rate limit headers and payload validation errors. Often a mismatch symbol or lot size causes rejects. Finally, switch from Sandbox to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.